Lot 152 is the 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV, the original supercar, the most takingly gorgeous car ever to come from northern Italy, outfitted here in its most powerful and sought-after trim with a 385 horse, 4-liter, quadruple carbureted V12 engine. This one is surely the most special. It was the factory publicity car and the US homologation prototype tested by the EPA. As such, it was the very first SV sold in the United States with a sperimentale experimental engine. Restored by Gary Bobileff, the finest example available, the 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV.
This has to be, it has to be my favorite car of the sale. That interior is magnificent. A very, very important Lamborghini Miura SV, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most important Miura SVs, and not only my favorite, but also Reliable's pick of the day. And they'll be offering complimentary transport of this car to the new owner, and rightly so, because it is magnificent. I don't think I've seen a better SV in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, for this very, very important Lamborghini, I'm going to open the bidding here at $1 million. Who'd like to start me? Thank you. $1 million I am bid. At $1 million, do I have $1,250,000 now? $1,250,000 I have on my right, seated. At $1,500,000 I have here. Do I have $1,750,000 now? Thank you, sir. $1,750,000 I am bid. Do I have $2 million now? At $1,700,000, $1,800,000. You better. I've got you, sir. $1,900,000 if you like. $1,900,000 I am bid. Do I have $2 million now, sir? $2 million I have on the telephone. You're out on my left, and you're out here in the room. We're at $2 million on the phone. Do I have $2,100,000 from either of you? Are you sure, sir? Absolutely magnificent Miura SV. Well, that's $2 million then. You're sure you're out? Fair enough. You're out on my left. And at $2 million then, you're out here as well? Fair warning. If there's no better bid, at just $2 million, I can't quite believe it. Not for such a great car. I shall sell on the telephone then. It is going on the phone. $2,025,000 I have here. $2,050,000 now. We're at $2,025,000 then. Do I have $2,050,000 from the telephones? I shall sell to the room if there's no better bid. At $2,025,000 then it's going for the first time. At $2,050,000, he says. $2,075,000 if you like. We can keep it in $25,000 increments. Nice and small, nice and easy. We're at $2,050,000. Bid on the telephone. It's a great car. You won't find such a good one again. I can tell you that for sure. At $2,050,000 then, it's going for the first time. I've got to count it down. I can't believe I'm missing it. At $2,050,000, it's going for the second time. The last chance. $2,075,000. He says. Do I have $2.1 million? The bid's back in the room again. It's $2,075,000. Negotiating on the telephone, are we? He's smiling though, that's always a good sign. We're at $2,075,000. I'm selling it to the room. Bear with me, sir. We've got to give her time to think. $2.1 million she comes back at. Veramente? Ma dai. Ancora 50. Proviamo 25. Proviamo 25. Va bene? Una piccola, 2.125.000. Cosa ne dici? Thinking time. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. At 2.100.000, then I've got to sell on the telephone. It's going for the first time. Se sei sicuro? Ancora un'offerta? 25. È bella. Ed è speciale. No? Sei sicuro? Apparently he has 3 already. I think he should have 4. That's actually true. At 2.100.000, then, if you had 3, would you not have a 4? $25,000. Ancora una? You're so tempted. You're just on the edge right there, and I feel so bad for you. It's going for the first time on the telephone. It's going for the second time on the phone. Third and last time. Let me just check. No? Basta? Are we all done? All finished? Sold on the phone. Thank you. Grazie per le offerte. 4908. Thank you, Annette. 2.100.000.